We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with SHIB token, Shiba Inu. SHIB coin continues to hold itself up, and today it had some huge news that came out, and it's creating even further adoption. So we're going to look at how many holders have Shiba Inu, where it's at in trending and most visited, and some articles that have to do with the data and everything going on here with 42 Vision on the 30-minute and the 1 day. And we're going to break it all down here with Shiba Inu itself. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you trade stocks apart from crypto, you may want to check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we're going to jump right into it here with Shiba Inu. So the home run opportunity of the day was spectacular. And if you want to get in on early and know about these stocks in the pre-market with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one on their pullbacks and jumps up gave us 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, but one of them turned out to be a home run, even though it was overextended in the pre-market. I was looking for a dip, and in the pre-market, it did give that dip, but also I was looking for the dip after the bell, right? And in the pre-market, after I mentioned it, it pulled upwards, pulled back down, hit about 1339, and from that moment forward, it hit a highest point here of 1578, and it gave 20% plus of possibility from the moment I mentioned it all the way up to this point. It was almost 30% plus in that area. Now, after the bell, in just a matter of a few minutes, it pulled back down and it took off to a highest point of 20% plus in just 10 minutes, guys. If this is something you want to become part of, you want to get in on early with us every single morning and also become part of a growing community of investors, check out the link down below. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So Shiba Inu surpasses 400,000 signatures, right, for the Robinhood petition. Now, Robinhood still has not added or talked about in a very expansive way or further adopting way about adding Shiba Inu. One of the things that makes me feel they're holding back is they want to focus on the Dogecoin community and not disrupt it and not create division among the two coins, which is what they're really actually trying to do. Or some people can actually have both, right? Call it double dipping, but it's also a battle amongst the two meme coins. One has zero utility and the other is trying to form itself as a utility token, which is Shiba Inu with NFTs. It's Shiba Swap, also the Leash and Bone, and then you have also a stable coin eventually coming based off of speculation and hype that's been stated in many different articles. Now, it got added onto a new platform today, and we could see the movement, right? The price action after dipping and pulling back up of actually getting added to Kraken, right? It teases Shiba Inu listing on Tuesday. Shiba Inu has been on the forefront of listing talks recently. Holders of the meme token have continuously pushed for more listings on predominant exchanges to provide more liquidity. Now, Kraken is a top cryptocurrency exchange, and in the space has recently taken interest in listing the meme coin. Compared to its counterparts, Kraken is significantly smaller, but its reputation through the space has held up in the years of operation. Most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges for users. So Kraken has teased a listing for the meme coin recently. So with that news, this is eventually going to be listed on Kraken. It's already been listed on Binance, Coinbase, and also public.com and many others. However, there is still a push for listing on a popular trading platforms like Robinhood. So Robinhood still hasn't. Kraken is teasing, and they're going to list it eventually. So the listing is coming, and it's creating even more further adoption and excitement on the coin holding it up and not allowing it to just collapse. Now, when we look at this in a zoomed out proportion, right, on the 30-minute, this is a lot of strength, guys. It's touched 3 times, 4 zeros and a 5, 8, 4 zeros and a 5, 7, 5, 9. Super important to be aware of this. It has created a support here, and when we look at it on the 1 day, you can clearly see on 42 vision, it had a little bit of a pullback. It has bounced back from it, and it's fighting to continue with possible strength. It needs to break through certain resistance levels like 4078, 4088 to get towards obviously 3 zeros and a 1. But this right here has been a true factor in holding this up and not just letting it fall. It's also showing how many SHIB holders are compounding into the token and actually holding, right? And actually a SHIB army trying to push this up higher. Through the volatility, it has been holding up. Now, when we look here on the most viewed, it is actually number 9. And when we look at the most trending, right, it is number 11. Okay, this is still in the trending list. This is still in the most visited. That is a good sign, showing a lot about the token itself and the further adoption and how many people are watching it. Now, when we go over to holders, this has been growing exponentially even in the last 3 months. I mean, this has been huge. In the last month, same thing. It just keeps on going higher. We're gonna hit eventually 1 million holders, and it shows here 872,000 holders, right? That is big. This is huge. And we have the whales down here holding large positions. That is another thing to be aware of, and watching the amount of whales that are putting in their stake and creating a credibility of some further growth. Now, we also have here SHIB and Doge record the highest trading volume on Indian exchanges. Okay, this is big because there's further adoption in all around the world. So big stuff. There's big movements going on everywhere, and it just goes to show how getting listed on other exchanges has created for the SHIB army and SHIB token to expand everywhere. Now, they talk about Shiba Inu again here, surpassing on the list, right, of rankings of Dogecoin. It's number 9 again as it's pulled back up. Dogecoin has pulled back down, and if Dogecoin can't stay above 30 cents and Shiba Inu stays at these levels of 4 zeros and a 7 or higher, it will continue to be larger than Dogecoin. This is big, guys. When you see Shiba Inu, such a small token, right, that came out of nowhere as a meme token, it's trying to build utilities, it's trying to build a purpose more than just going up against Dogecoin, and it's trying to grow in its community and ecosystem, and it's under the Ethereum family. I mean, it says a lot of how this has moved. I've talked about earlier in my videos how long Dogecoin took to further adopt, and further adoption was going to take Shiba Inu to newer levels and continue to have it grow exponentially, to the point that there's articles coming out saying Shiba Inu surpasses Dogecoin, becomes the 9th largest crypto asset as top US exchange appears ready to list popular altcoins. So we have Kraken on the way. We have others. When will Robinhood do it? We'll have to see. Now, here you have it, Kraken Exchange. This is right here, confirmation. SHIB Army, where are you at? It said if we get 2,000 likes, we will list SHIB tomorrow, but he doesn't think we can do it. So basically, once it got those likes, it went ahead and it stated the clear words that it's coming. So Kraken is about to post it and list it anyways. The question is, will Robinhood do it before the end of the year? What is Robinhood waiting for, right? They're testing their crypto wallets. I know that they're in the works of that. They're also trying to confirm if Shiba Inu is worth it. I mean, there's some very interesting correlations as well that I've talked about on Twitter, how Coinbase only follows SHIB on Twitter, and then also SHIB follows Coinbase, and then it just creates this whole entire like indirect message that ever since Coinbase added it, I don't know if it's like they want to know updated information right away or follow what is going on, or making a clear message that they're favoriting, right, the Shiba Inu army, the Shiba Inu itself, Shiba Inu. A lot of people call it different names, Shiba Inu. And Shiba is just pushing, and it's number 9. Now, could it get to number 7, number 8? It's possible if it knocks out another 0 and continues going up to 3 zeros and a 5, 3 zeros and a 2, 3. It could probably try to catch up here to DOT, Polkadot. But we'll have to see later on in the future if that's even possible. But right now, the fact that it's beating Dogecoin is pretty big. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, what you think about this. Where do you see Shiba Inu going? And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.